If you're feeling overwhelmed and stuck in the cycle of overworking, understanding exactly how you spend your time is one of the most powerful ways to stop. In this video, I'll walk you through how to track your time, identify inefficiencies, and take control of your day to reduce overworking. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop overworking by understanding time spent. The first step to stopping overworking is knowing where your time is actually going. Most people think they're busy, but when they track their time, they realize they're spending hours on tasks that don't even move them forward. The easiest way to start is by tracking your time for a few days using a simple time tracking tool. There are tons of apps, but I'll recommend a particular one in the description, which offers an exclusive free trial for my viewers. So stick around for that. When you track your time, be honest. Write down every task you're doing, even the small ones, checking email, scrolling through social media, taking breaks, or jumping between tasks. You'll likely find patterns that you didn't realize before. For example, do you spend a lot of time on meetings that could be an email, or are you working on projects that don't align with your long-term goals? Once you've tracked your time, the next step is to categorize it. Break your tasks into productive and non-productive activities. Be critical. Time spent on low-impact tasks can easily add up, causing unnecessary overwork. Identifying these non-productive activities is key to understanding how you're overworking. For instance, maybe you're answering emails all day instead of focusing on the big projects that will move the needle. When you see where you're wasting time, you can take immediate steps to stop overworking. Now, the magic happens when you start adjusting how you work. If you see certain tasks are eating up your time, think about how you can optimize them. Maybe you need to delegate, automate, or eliminate certain activities altogether. One powerful way to optimize is by using time blocking. This method involves scheduling specific blocks of time for tasks, so you're not switching between different things all day, which leads to burnout. A simple trick is to focus on one task at a time during these blocks, allowing you to be much more productive and cutting down the time spent on distractions. Don't forget the importance of breaks. Overworking can often come from not taking enough time to recharge. If you schedule regular breaks into your day, you'll actually feel more energized and productive. Small moments of rest can help you stay focused, so you're not working at 60% all day. Key takeaway here: stopping overworking starts with understanding where your time goes. Track, analyze, and optimize your time spent. When you identify tasks that aren't contributing to your goals, you can shift your focus to the work that matters most. To recap: 1. Track your time for a few days to see where you're spending it. 2. Categorize your tasks as productive or non-productive. 3. Use time blocking to optimize your schedule. And 4. Don't forget to take breaks. And before you go, make sure you check out the link in the description for the exclusive free trial of the time tracking software we've been using today. It's only available to my viewers, and it'll help you put everything we talked about into practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.